What's up, you guys? This is your boy JB back with the next video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys Reso from Mastering the Mix. Some people may say it's the P.O.T.W killer, but let's see. Alright, first thing, I would like to give a big shout out to Nook Solo for giving me the opportunity to use his song to show you guys the P.O.T.W killer. I'm about to call it the P.O.T.W killer, but for allowing me to use Reso to show you guys how it works. All right, the name of the song is Unwritten, and he said if you like and DM him about the song, he'll send it to you so you can hear it. It hasn't been released yet. All right, so with that being said, let's get into the plugin. So Reso, we have it in front of me. Let's see some cool things that you can do. Obviously, the first thing that jumped in my head, you can resize it, which is pretty cool. Let's see what you can do. Oh, you can go this way. Okay. Oh, cool. I like it this way. All right. That's the first thing that jumped out to me. You got the whole reset. That's first. Then, can you click on that? Nope. All right. So we got the calculate, which, of course, calculate meaning that it's going to figure out what peaks, what resonant peaks that it wants to suppress, that it should suppress because it's too loud according to the mix, right? We're not going to click that right now. Then we have these three lines, which is the menu, which you can see. You can calculate target and you can delete the nodes here. Then you got A, B, which of course, you know, you can go through A and B. It's also got a feature right here. You see the lip arrow, you can click it and it'll copy it to B. So B just got copied to A or whatever. You can copy A to B with this, if you click this little arrow at the top. Then you have this line thingy here. When it's highlighted red, you actually soloing this right here. So now I'm only listening to, what's this, like 335. So with that, I can sweep through the frequencies in the mix. Then you got the delta right here. Basically the delta is once I put a node here, like if I click this here, and let's go right here. So I know it's gonna be drastic. I click it there, I'm only gonna hear that. I'm only hearing what is suppressing. So let's get rid of this. And then of course, you know, you got the mute. It's gonna hold up this that pressure. It's a in plug-in bypass. And then you got your settings. I give you guys a quick glimpse. I'm not touching anything in here. Boom, boom, boom. Say continue. Just how you activate it. And any questions, you can click on here and it'll show you how to use the plugin. So let's let it do what it do. Let's make it do what it do, baby. But let's let it do what it do right quick. Hold up this that pressure. Hate, I'm a stretch. Midas touch, I'm a bless 'em. I'm a project stepper. You local like I'm local. It what makes you better. Sending them lost my way like you won't see me in the system. Watch your mouth, I glock your mouth like Listerine. So it just picked out all these frequencies, right? So let's engage them. Now they're engaged. Let's listen to what it did. Hold up this that pressure. Hate, I'm a stretch. Midas touch, I'm a bless 'em. I'm a project stepper. You low in the system. Watch your mouth, I glock your mouth like Listerine. I wash it out. Haters stay on my radar. I keep things to block them out. Count my blessings, send my prayers to the Lord when I'm stressing. Open the stew. If you rap a scene, come book a session, boy. If you mad, best get glad. I'ma run up a bag. I get cash. Off jump, what I'm hearing is that it cleaned it up. Like it sound cleaner, you know. And what I mean by cleaner, not saying that it's brighter. It sound cleaner, meaning like a lot of those artificial the resonance that it's doing, it's suppressing them and it's not harsh. So now that I can crank it up louder, like being that I have it pretty much limited, I have a limiter on it. It's suppressing those frequencies. Good thing that I'm doing this before I'm hitting the limiter, not after the limiter. I'm doing this before. So I'm trying to get these adjustments before I hit that limiter. So I love the way it sounds. Hold up this that pressure. Hate, I'm a stretch. Midas touch, I'm a bless 'em. I'm a project. Let's find something for myself. prayers to the Lord when I'm stressing. Open the stew. If you rap a scene, come book a session, boy. If you mad, let's get glad. I'ma run up a bag. I get cash, I don't lag. All I drop is them fags. On a mission, reminiscing. I was dropping and whipping. In the kitchen, cooking chicken. I was scraping and flipping. I run a check up on these. I'ma turn up again. They turn their face up at me then, and they gon' do it again. I switch the flow up on these, and I ain't using the pen. Melodies glow on instrumentals. Now watch me stack up some M. Drip all this sauce till they can't catch up. They can't. Stand in their chest and I won't let up.
Alright, so here's another thing just to show you real quick. So if you hold down shift will lock it so that you only can move left and right. And if you hold down control will make it so, as you can see on the arrows, that I can go up and down in the spectrum, right? Just to keep that in mind. So shift left and right, control up and down. All right. I know it's another. Let's see. And then it's so smart that it automatically does the cue for it. I love that as well. What else is dope about this? It's an easy plugin. It's like a no-brainer. Like, you don't have to really think too hard. I go straight to what I want. Don't get too carried away with trying to, like this right here. I was just listening. I was like, I can really get carried away with this.
Run up a bag. I get cash, I don't lag. All I drop is them fags. On a mission, reminiscing. I was dropping and whipping. In the kitchen, cooking chicken. I was scraping and flipping. I run a check up on these. I'ma turn up again. They turn their face up at me then, and they gon' do it again. I switch the flow up on these, and I ain't using the pen. Melodies glow on instrumentals. Now watch me stack up some M. Drip all this sauce till they can't catch up. They can't. Stand in their chest and I won't let up. Yeah, I know the realest gon' feel me. Hustle hard till they kill me. Make the busters obsolete. I scream this till they hear me. And it's the realest.
Alright, so that's pretty dope. So as you can see, it's a resonance suppressor. There's nothing like really too scientific about it. Like, well, the science is behind it, but it make it so easy that you can go in. I can click anywhere. Boop. There's a node. I can take it off. It is what it is. So yeah, like, I actually love this. Like, I just heard that. I don't know why. Again, but you can get real crazy with it. So don't get too crazy with it. Don't go overboard, because you can mess your mix up with it. But I like the simple fact that it's not like too dramatic like some other plugins. I'm not just throwing nobody under the bus, but some you have to go and super dial it back. This right here, like, some of the stuff I sound like I want to like give it a little bit more, which that's what I like about this. So it's subtle. That's what I like about it. That's the best way to explain it. It's subtle. That's Reso, you guys. That's the best thing I can tell you. Show you guys. Go download it. Try it out. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. If you like another resonance suppressor plugin, tell me about it in the comments. Let's discuss it and tell me why. You know. So remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out. Well, I ain't out. I'm still here, but you know.